Shop, where today I'm installing Pro Armor's Baja Style Pre-Runner bumper on my 2013 Polaris Racer. Now this kit comes with the bumper, comes with mounting instructions, cool sticker, and your all the bolts and nuts required for assembly. The hardware that comes with this bumper is 4 lock nuts and 4 bolts. You got 2 longer bolts, then you got 2 shorter bolts. Now the shorter bolts go up top, where the longer bolts go down to the bottom. And if you've got an older model Razor, these little points here are going to be threaded, whereas if you've got a newer model Razor like mine, they're not going to be threaded. If they're not threaded, Pro Armor supplies 2 nuts that you can use on the back side. But now I'm going to go ahead, instead of drilling the holes out, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap them with 8mm tap. And that way I can still use them threads. I'm going to go ahead and put the nuts on the back side too, just for a little extra. Now you want to be careful when you're doing this because you're real close to the radiator. So if you decide to thread them like I am, you want to go slow. Threaded in my case. I'm going to go ahead and put a little Loctite on my 2 upper bolts. Then we can set the bumper in place and start our upper bolts.